Have you ever felt like a bird that never flew, grounded by fear, doubt, or failure, yet made to soar? Today is the day to spread your wings and trust God to lift you higher. Lord, we come before you like that bird, full of potential but afraid to take flight. Remind us that you created us to soar, not to stay grounded. As it says in Psalm 91, verse 4, "You will cover us with your feathers, and under your wings we will find refuge." Let us trust in your strength to rise above every fear, failure, and doubt that holds us back. May we spread our wings in faith, knowing you will lift us up. Even the bird that never flew was made with wings. The promise of flight is within you. Trust God to take you higher than you ever imagined. This is Daybreak on Lighthouse PP&T TV. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.